Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this platform. Today, we're diving into Livecoin Watch, found at https://www.livecoinwatch.com. This website provides a wealth of information for cryptocurrency enthusiasts, offering a comprehensive overview of the digital asset market. Navigating the site is fairly straightforward, allowing users to quickly find key data points like current prices, market capitalization, trading volume, and price changes over various timeframes. One of the standout features of Livecoin Watch is its extensive list of supported cryptocurrencies, providing a broader perspective than many other tracking platforms. You'll find everything from established giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum to newer, emerging projects. Livecoin Watch goes beyond simply listing coins and their prices. The platform offers in-depth charting tools, allowing for technical analysis and trend identification. Users can customize charts with different indicators and timeframes, enabling a more personalized view of market activity. Furthermore, Livecoin Watch provides news aggregation, pulling in relevant articles from various sources to keep users informed about the latest developments in the crypto space. This centralized information hub can be incredibly valuable for staying up to date on market-moving events. The platform also includes a portfolio tracker, which allows users to input their holdings and monitor their performance over time. This feature provides a convenient way to track gains and losses, and can be helpful for managing investments. Livecoin Watch user interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible even to those new to the cryptocurrency market. The information is presented in a clear and concise manner, avoiding unnecessary clutter that can often overwhelm newcomers. While the site is generally free to use, there are premium features available for a subscription fee. These premium options offer additional functionalities, such as advanced charting tools and personalized alerts. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting your journey in the digital asset world, Livecoin Watch offers a powerful suite of tools and information that can be invaluable for navigating this complex and ever-evolving market.